Hello viewers, let's learn how can we shift a column from one end to another end without cut paste or the most easy way. And the second one, how we can separate text from figures in one go. So the split of text and figures would be done by two ways. On screen please. First let's go and separate text and figures. So conventionally we do this like this to rewrite everything. Let's leave it, delete it, and let's go do it for one at single time. Now select the entire column of text and figure. Now click text to column, and after selecting this, now select delimited. Characters such as comma or tab separate each field. Now click next and remove each and every text, only leave other and press from your keyboard Ctrl J. Now let's go once again and click next. And by pressing next, click finish. It's in front of you. All have done in just one go. Click OK and it's in front of you. Now we will perform this action once again without formula. So let's undo it. Now let me once again select the entire column and press from your keyboard Alt A plus E. And the same thing appears, so select delimited, next and finish, and the same function has been done through shortcut. Select others, click next and then finish, and it's in front of you. In one click all have been done. Let's go and once again select another method. First of all, just rewrite the first column figures like 88, 99 and 44. And now just simply click down the 88, Control plus E, and the entire column first figure would be comes out of the new column. And then repeat the process. Click Control plus E and repeat the process, and each and every figure would be in accordance to the desired, in accordance to its hierarchy. Now let's take out the names from this one. So just write Khan, the first name, and then below just click inside and Control plus E, and all names have been extracted. You can see there is no error. Now just go and delete the first column or the original column, and then cut the red color names and paste over there. Let me share you a best method which is far more easier than this. And now let's learn how we can shift the column without cut paste. You have seen the conventional method. So first of all, click on the top of the column which you want to shift or drag. So click it, and when the arrow become four-headed or four narrow arrows, then keep press shift key and left click of the mouse and drag it to desired area. So if I reverse the process, so simply I'll click on the top of the column, and then when the arrow of four-headed become narrow, so keep press shift key and left click of the mouse and drag it to the desired area. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.